Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the IFERROR formula to handle errors in Google Sheets. So the IFERROR functions in Google Sheets is a powerful way to handle errors in formulas and provide a more user-friendly response when something goes wrong. So instead of seeing a generic error message like div divided by 0 or name or value, you can customize the output to show something more meaningful such as blank cell, a specific message, or an alternate calculations. So the basic syntax of if error is like this: if error value and value if error. So the value in here means that it says the formula or expression that you want to evaluate, and the value if error is what you want to display in the formula if the results in error. So this is optional, and if you don't provide a second argument in here, it will display as a blank cell by default. So the if error works the IFERROR functions checks if the given formula results in an error. So if there is no error, it returns to the result of the formula. But if there is an error, it returns the custom output that you specify. So for example, in here, I'm going to use this one, the division by 0, as the custom output or the message if there's an error on my formulas. Let's say I want to divide this one and then this one by this one. You can see that this number is 0, so it will cause a division by 0 error, which usually shown like this with hashtag and then div by 0. So it's usually shown like this if there's an error divide by 0. Let's see if I can use if error. So I'm going to use this function if error, this one, and the value is this one divided by the b7, and now comma, and then the value if error or the custom output or the message. So the message will be error division by 0, and you can close the formula, hit on enter. Sorry, this typo in here. Okay, as you guys can see here, since I divide the number by with 0, and it will result on error, so instead of it use the result came out like this, now it came out as a custom output that I set before. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can use if error in Google Sheets. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.